It's a 2014 Cadillac CTS. Stunningly refined and meticulously crafted, the CTS employs lightweight design techniques that make a larger and lower, yet still lightweight car. With standard climate control, power front seats, and a reverse sensing system, the journey will be as comfortable as it is effortless. It also includes stability and traction control and heated mirrors. Hearts will race, synapses will fire. Put the thrill back into your ride with this CTS today. Here's a 2014 Cadillac CTS. This is a beautiful evolution of Cadillac's iconic art and science design philosophy. Its impressive athletic stance is accompanied by great features like heated mirrors, reverse sensing system, keyless entry, stability control, automatic climate control, and power front seats. Are you up for the experience? Get behind the wheel today.